Welcome to this first lesson on the first 1,000 days. During this session, we'll explore why this specific window, from conception through a child's second birthday. It is seen as a critical period for shaping lifelong health. These early years aren't just important, they're foundational. So, what do we mean by the first 1,000 days? It refers to the period starting at conception, about 270 days of pregnancy, plus the first 2 years after birth, so about 730 days more. Altogether, 1,000 days. These three stages, pregnancy, infancy, 0-12 months, and toddlerhood, 12 to 24 months, are biologically distinct. Each stage lays down different systems: the brain, gut, metabolism, immunity. By the age of 2, a child's brain reaches 80% of its adult size. Early life nutrition and caregiving influence not just body weight, but emotional regulation, cognitive function, and long-term risk for chronic diseases. Now let's look more closely at the three key phases that make up the first 1,000 days. The first is pregnancy, when a mother's health and nutrition shape the baby's development. The second, from 0 to 12 months, is marked by rapid growth, breastfeeding, first foods, and close caregiving. During the third phase, from 12 to 24 months, the children explore, learn, and form habits that can last a lifetime. Together, these stages show why the first 1,000 days are such a critical window for lifelong health. Research shows that poor maternal nutrition, early introduction of solid foods, especially before 4 months, or lack of exclusive breastfeeding can increase obesity risk. Likewise, stress during pregnancy or infancy alters metabolic and hormonal systems. On the other hand, there are powerful protective factors: a balanced maternal diet during pregnancy, exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months, timely and gradual introduction of solids, responsive feeding recognizing hunger and fullness cues. Science calls this a period of developmental plasticity. That means children's bodies and brains are highly responsive to their environment, especially nutrition, emotional care, and stress. Genes are not destiny. Environment matters. For example, maternal stress during pregnancy can raise cortisol levels in the baby, which affects appetite regulation and behavior. Simple choices, like breastfeeding when possible, creating strong emotional bonds, and offering healthy and balanced foods, help shape a child's metabolism, habits, and relationship with food from the very beginning. Obesity prevention does not start when weight problems appear. It starts much earlier, through everyday decisions that build a strong and healthy foundation for the future. This is why the first 1,000 days are a unique opportunity to prevent childhood obesity long before the first signs of excess weight appear. Let's remember, every small positive decision like breastfeeding, healthy meals, emotional bonding adds up. As public health experts say, early care is the most powerful form of preventive medicine.